Oh my God, I'm in space. I've always wanted to do this. So cool. Making dreams come true one day at a time. All right. Well, in this Synergy Learning unit, you'll discover the characteristics of science fiction so that you can write your own science fiction short story. Science fiction is one of my favorite genres, mostly because I'm nerdy, but also because of the seemingly endless possibilities. In science fiction, amazing things can happen, just so long as they have somewhat reasonable scientific explanation. You want something to eat? Just head over to the food replicator and tell it what you like to have. Need to head across town for a meeting? Just step in the transporter and away you go. Science fiction shows me everything that I wish we had here on Earth now, and it's so fun to imagine what it would be like. So, here's what you have to do for mission one. First, you're going to go in and evaluate yourself on the learning target. You can find this in your project folder. It's after the language arts section, and it's your proficiency scale. Rate yourself on your level of understanding. Once you've done that, click on the Google form and let me know what you think. Then, you need to do the vocabulary assignment that's attached to this activity. You need to go in and open up the Google Slides. Each slide has a word on it, and you need to define the word, give an example of it, and then paste some pictures that show your understanding. I've given you example. The example is genre. I've put the definition, I've put an example, and I attached a couple pictures. You need to do the same thing for the rest of the words. This activity, plus the video you're watching right now, is worth 1 moon rock. Then you're responsible for getting 3 more moon rocks. There are 4 possible science fiction stories available for you in this playlist. All Summer in a Day, The Big Finish, and The Last Dog, and a short film called Line 21. You need to do 3 of those activities, and it's your choice. All these activities are asking you to analyze the setting of the story and think about how the setting affects the story's characters and conflict. For example, think about The Little Mermaid. It took place under the sea. This was important because the Little Mermaid, Ariel, was tired of living under the sea and wanted to go above to where the humans were. She was obsessed with human culture, and one human in particular, Eric. When we analyze that story, we can see how the setting plays an important role. It was literally keeping Ariel down, and she needed to rebel against it so she could live the life she wanted to. Up where they walk, up where they run, up. Okay. So as you read these science fiction stories that are in this playlist, I want you to think about the settings and how the settings affect the characters and conflict. Is there a specific planet or place that they're living on? What does it cause the characters to live like? Does something specific happen because of where they're living? How does that affect the story's conflict and resolution? As you go, please follow all the instructions and reach out with any questions that you might have. Stay focused on what you're trying to do, and remember, don't eat the marshmallow. All right, good luck.